Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming admin rights and the DNS provider account. This prevents permission errors. Once logged in, make a quick backup of current DNS records so you can revert if needed. Next, whitelist your management IPs and note the internal subnets, because filtering must map to the right clients. Finally, enable query logging now. It gives visibility into blocks and false positives while you proceed. Doing these steps first avoids downtime and speeds troubleshooting later. Now you set up policy groups that match your network roles, create default, restricted, and guest groups so enforcement is targeted. Then add allow and block lists, placing specific domains above broad wildcards to ensure correct precedence. Make sure to configure DNS forwarding versus recursion based on your architecture and enable TLS inspection only where certificate management is feasible. Once done, apply time-based rules to limit access during off-hours. This reduces risk. You deploy filters incrementally. Start with test endpoints, review behavior, then expand to production. This limits blast radius. Monitor query logs and analytics for overblocking or latency spikes because performance impacts user experience. If users report failures, switch clients to a configured fallback DNS and run packet captures to inspect queries and responses. One key troubleshooting tip: if legitimate domains are blocked, check policy precedents and cached negative responses. Flushing cache often resolves false positives quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.